Okay, children, now we are going to start our next topic, browser, opening a browser. Okay, so in this video we are going to discuss about the web browser. Opening a browser, it's very simple process. Okay, at bottom of the screen means at taskbar, you can see here in this picture there is web browser icon. Mozilla Firefox is there. Okay, in some computer there is Google Chrome or Internet Explorer. Okay, so it is available there. So using this icon you can open browser. Okay, you can open browser. Okay, so click on either on the icon of browser, or you go to the start button and choose the option of Google Chrome. Okay, so with this you can open Google Chrome web browser, and on screen you can see this is web browser screen. Okay, so now in this screen you can see there are several buttons are there. Okay, one by one we will discuss all these buttons. This is address bar. Okay, here is the address bar where we type address, URL. Here we type URL. Okay, it is unique address of website. It is unique address of website because we type here address, no, so it is called address bar. Clear? Address bar. The address bar is used to write the address or URL of a website. Just type the address and press enter key to open a website. Okay, type address and press enter key, so website will be opened. Clear? Next is back button. Here back button, this is back button. Okay, back button will take you to the previous page. Okay, in one website, no, I told you there are several pages. Okay, so back button takes us to the previous page, and forward button takes us to the next page here. Okay, this is forward button. It is faded here, you can't see this one, but back button it is visible. So back button takes us to the previous page, which had opened just before the current page. Okay, which had opened just before the current page. Okay, so back and forward button is used to go forward. This button can only be used if we have used back button. If you have used back button, then only forward button will be active. Understood? So both back and forward button allow us to move through the web pages we have recently viewed. So these are two buttons, back and forward. I hope you understood these two. Okay, back button takes you to the previous page. Okay, which you had opened just before the current page. You have visited this page. You already had visited this page. Okay, and you are on current page. From current page, if you have to go to previous one, click on back button, and forward button will take you to the current one. Okay, so forward button is used to go forward. Understood? Now next is new tab. Okay, here is the new tab. Okay, which part is this? Is the current tab. Okay, which is showing Wikipedia website. Okay, if you want to open another website on another tab, you have to open. So okay, this blue button you are seeing now, this is new tab button. New tab will open new website. So with the help of this button we can open different websites in the same browser window. Clear? So click on the new tab button to open another website, or you can use keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus T. Okay, Ctrl plus T, and there is close button to close the current tab. To close the current tab, here this one you can see. Here is close button, okay, of Wikipedia website. Okay, so this tab, when you click on close button of this tab, no, so Wikipedia website will be closed. Okay, so in every tab there is a close button to close website. Clear? And this is new tab button, which will help you to open another website. I hope you understood this. Okay, now next is home button. Okay, home button help you to open the home page of website. This is home page. Okay, home button take you to the home page. Okay. Then next is refresh button, just beside the home button. This is refresh button. Okay, when you are trying to loading a web page and it is not being, so you can restart loading. Okay, reloading process will start with the refresh button. Okay, sometime it happens when we try to open a website and it's showing only the buffering and that site is not being opened. So that in that case, no, we use a refresh button. Okay, refresh button is used to start reloading a web page. So we use the refresh button when the website is not displayed properly. Okay, so refresh button. Clear? Now next is bookmark and Google Chrome menu. Okay, this star you are seeing here. Okay, this star is actually bookmark. Okay, bookmark button. This button is used to save a web page that you like to visit in future. Understood? Your favorite web page. Here you see. Okay, here. This one. This is bookmark button, star shape. Okay, whichever web page you like. Okay, if you like the web page, so its address will be saved in the bookmark. Okay, so you need not to remember the complete address of web page. Understood? That page address, that URL of the web page gets stored in the bookmark diary. Understood? Of web browser. Web browser, there is a bookmark. Okay, bookmark diary. So whichever your favorite web page. Okay, so you can store its URL. Okay, using this bookmark button. Here you see. Every web page you can give its name also, bookmark name. Okay, in last here you see, this is Wikipedia web page. Okay, suppose you want to save this web page, so you go click on this, click here. Okay, this button. Okay, when you click on this button, star button, so this window it gets open, and now here you can write the bookmark of that web page. Here it is written Solar System of Wikipedia. Okay, this is folder name, and when you click on done, so that bookmark will be saved in the bookmark diary. Clear? And when the page is saved, no, so this hollow button, hollow star will become dark star. Okay, will become dark star as it is showing in your book. Hollow star changes into this one. Star, it is showing hazy here, not coming clearly. Okay, now next is Chrome menu. So for Chrome menu, you have to click here. Chrome menu button. 3 dots are visible here. Okay, so you have to click on this. Okay, you have to click here. So when you click on this button, no, so it shows you Chrome menu, Google Chrome menu, and this Google Chrome menu shows you several options. Okay, to open a new tab, new window. Okay, in which mode you want to open window, incognito or incognito. Okay, this is history, download, bookmarks. So history button, this lets us view all the website and web pages we have visited in the past. Okay, so when you were surfing on internet, so which websites you have visited, which web pages you have visited, so its history you will get in the history button. Downloads will show you all downloads. Okay, and bookmarks lets you view all the bookmark, all your favorite web pages, bookmark. Okay, and bookmark you can delete, you can change name of your bookmark through this bookmark option. Okay, so this is your web browser. Print option, if you want to take print out, find option will help you to find something which you want on the website, web page, particular web page. So cut, copy and paste, you already know this one. Zoom will zoom web page. Okay, zoom in and zoom out. So and the exit button will make you out of the web page. Clear? So this is your Google Chrome. I hope you understood this Google Chrome web